this ongoing conflict in the Gulf region has resulted into the blockade of Strait of Hormuz, through which more than 20% oil passes through. So it has caused a spike in the oil prices in international market. There are estimates that if this conflict persists and this blockade continues, it might result into increasing the oil prices passing the $100 per barrel mark, psychological mark, and it will have a devastating effect in case of Pakistan. It will have a devastating effect on all oil importing countries, especially in case of Pakistan, because we have seen in the past that sometimes in 2007 and 8 and afterwards, whenever the oil prices increased, but the government preferred not to pass on to the consumers, it resulted into evaporating of hard-earned foreign exchange reserves.
Right.
So it might pave the way for another balance of payment crisis. And there are estimates that Pakistan could absorb any hike in the prices for 6 months to 1 year period.
Right.
But I think Government of Pakistan has constituted a high-powered committee under the convenership of Minister for Finance. It's comprised of 18 members. So, keeping in view the volatile situation in the Gulf region and its impact on the oil prices, and it will devise a strategy. And the strategy is, if the prices increase, the government will be left with no other option but to pass on the escalated prices to the consumers.
Right.
So it might result into another wave of inflationary pressures.
Right.
If this crisis persists for weeks and months.